This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing damage so you know what to fix and why. Inspect hinges, posts, latch, and any rot. Once done, clear the area and set tools within reach. Wrench, screwdriver, level, jack, shims, replacement hinges. Make sure power to an automatic opener is off. You should prioritize stabilizing loose posts first to prevent further misalignment. As you work, note parts that are bent versus worn so you can decide whether to repair or replace them. You now focus on hinge alignment and support because that fixes sag and binding. First, loosen hinge bolts while supporting the gate with a jack or a helper. Lift until the gate clears the latch. Then remove and inspect hinge pins and plates. Swap bent hardware for new pieces. Once fitted, use thin shims to correct any tilt. Tighten bolts gradually in sequence so the gate stays level. Make sure the gate swings freely, without scraping the ground, before moving to the latch. You finish by ensuring the latch engages cleanly and posts are solid. Adjust the strike plate or replace the latch if it binds. Move the strike plate incrementally for perfect catch. If a post is loose, dig, reset with concrete, and clamp until cured. Make sure the gate is aligned during curing. Perform several open/close tests at different speeds and loads to confirm reliability. Troubleshooting tip: if the gate still binds after alignment, recheck post plumb and hinge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.